are low budget tips to look high maintenance and put together always. And number one on my list is have a consistent skincare routine. You need to actually know how to or learn how to prioritize skincare. I heard a lot of people say, oh, I don't really need to do much of my skincare, just do this and that. But having a good skincare routine will actually help your skin. Your skin will thank you for it. And you don't have to actually splurge a million on skincare products. You just need to get 4 basic things, and that is your face cleanser, your face moisturizer, a good exfoliant, and your sunscreen, and you're good to go. That is for a beginner. But if you want to go up and up the ladder, you have to actually seek a dermatologist help, or you figure out what kind of skincare will work for you. I spoke in detail about this in a video that I'm going to tag up here. Go check it out. To go a long way in helping you. So next one I have on my list is edit your closet. Take out those clothes that are not serving you and replace them with the ones that will serve you. You don't want to be wearing the clothes you were wearing when you were 13 now that you are 20 something. So those clothes that you know that are not serving you, take those clothes out of your locker. If you know you can actually work with them, you can keep most of them. But if you know you cannot work with some of them, just take them out. And then it's also have simple wardrobe staple clothes like color black, brown, and white. They go a long way in helping you when you don't know what color to wear. When you have an event or something like that, you can build your wardrobe with white top, black pants, brown pants, black shoe, black heels, and etc. Other stuff like that. And then also another important thing I want you to know is learn your undertone. Learning your undertone will go a long way in helping you decide what color would match your skin. Like currently I'm a warm undertone, so I'm learning the color that work well with my skin. There are warm undertone, there are cool undertone, and there's neutral undertone. So you can search on YouTube how to know your undertone. There are a lot of videos that are out there that will help you. Learn how to style your outfit basically. You just don't want to be going with the same outfit every time. Learn how to style your outfit. And the next one I have is have well-groomed nails. And I'm not just talking about your fingernails or painting it and doing this. No, I'm talking about your toenails too. They tell a lot about you. When you have a well-groomed nail, you have a well-groomed toenail, you have a well-groomed fingernail, it tells a lot of people a lot about you. And you will not be someone that loves to fix their nail or go for press-on or acrylic. You can actually just use the top coat, that's the clear top coat clear top coat on your finger. Manicure your nails, ensure that they are well trimmed down, or how you want to keep your nails. You know what's best for your nails, so just ensure that they look put together. For someone that you know that you don't have the money for acrylic, like I said, low budget maintenance. If you know you don't have the money for acrylic, you go for press-on. Like right now I have a press-on on my nail because I feel more comfortable with press-on, because I have this fear when it comes to using acrylic. I'm going to talk about that in another video, maybe this video, another video. But I have this fear when it comes to using acrylic, so I go for press-on now, and they're very easy to remove. So you can go for press-on, and press-on is very, very quick and easy. Just get the press-on pack or whatever type of you want to get. Use your glue, the glue that comes with it, and then press on your nail. You're good to go. Or if you have the time, you can go to a beauty salon to get your acrylic done. Depending on your pocket, you know what suits you best. I go for what, just have a well-groomed nail, and a well-groomed nail. Your toenails should also be well-groomed. Or you don't want to go around with dirty toenails. You want to always ensure they are clean and they are properly trimmed down. But for my list is invest in good makeup products. And the first thing I want to advise you is learn what makeup work well with your face. I can do makeup for somebody and I'll make that person look like me, because clearly over the years I've learned what makeup suits my face structure. So you can learn what makeup suits your face, and then if you don't know you don't like makeup, you can actually invest in the basic makeup product out there. That is a good foundation, a concealer, a blush, good eye pencil, a lip gloss, and a mascara and eyeliner. And then if you know that you want to go all out, you can also invest in false lashes, and they are affordable false lashes now. Some people actually some people don't even use false lashes anymore. Some people actually install false lashes. Is that what they call it? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I think they call it, I don't like it. I think I've done it once and I really did not like it, so I'm not doing it again. I'm going to go back, stick to my normal false lashes. So I think they install false lashes. You can also do that. And they are budget-friendly makeup you can try. There's this clean girl makeup aesthetic that I think I saw on TikTok that I was currently learning about it. I think it's where you use the concealer under your eye, your foundation powder, your lip gloss, lip liner, and basic blush and your eyebrows. That was what it was. It wasn't anything difficult. So a beginner can actually learn the clean aesthetic makeup. It will go a long way. Let's talk about accessories. Accessories has a way of putting all your outfit together. I can do my hair, do my makeup and everything, and I don't have any accessories. I feel incomplete. And I always opt for dainty accessories. I don't like the elaborate ones, but if you do that, it's good for you. Accessories can also be your belt, your hat, a very good wristwatch, and a well-structured bag. All of this go a long way in putting your outfit together. You don't have to spend so much on these things. You could go for the affordable one and you will still look good. That's why this video is just to give you a stepping stone on how to look good. The next one I have is smell good. Always try your best to smell good. And that could be you investing in a quality perfume or a good low budget perfume. The whole goal essence of everything is to smell good. You could get one perfume and a roll-on or a roll-on spray, or you could get two perfume and a roll-on spray. I'm currently learning about how to create a signature scent, and you could do that too. If you're someone that wants to create your own signature scent, you could actually learn about it. You can go on YouTube and search how to create my own signature scent. There are a lot of videos that will help you on YouTube. Or you can go for just one scent. The whole goal is smell good. That's the goal. The goal is to smell good. Have at least one perfume and a roll-on that you're good to go. You know you don't have a lot of money. People come to you, don't want people to run away from you. You want people to be drawn to you because of yourself. The next one I have on my list is sleep well and drink enough water. It's as simple as it sounds. Sleep well and drink enough water because it will go a long way in helping your body. And now finally I want to read something from my daily devotion. Now it really struck me when I was reading it. It's basically beauty from the heart, and it says it's not bad to stay fit, eat healthy, manage your weight, and dress in good taste. Just don't let outward appearance become an obsession that undermines the godliness and loveliness that was born of the heart. Adorn yourself in modest apparel, in moderation, not with braided hair or gold or pearl or costly clothing, but which is proper for women professing godliness with good work. And with that, I'm gonna end this video. Hope you got a thing or two from today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give me a like. Please give me a like. That will tell YouTube algorithm that this video is doing well. Give me a like if you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget your royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's own people, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.